Welcome back to my channel. Ethereum cryptobot with Chat, a powerful synergy of AI and blockchain. In the fast-evolving world of blockchain, technology and artificial intelligence, the fusion of two powerful technologies, Ethereum and Chat, has given rise to a revolutionary concept: the Ethereum cryptobot with Chat integration. This innovative system combines the transactional capabilities and decentralized infrastructure of Ethereum with the natural language processing and reasoning power of Chat. Together, they create a highly interactive, intelligent, and automated assistant capable of managing cryptocurrency operations, providing financial insights, and engaging in real-time conversation. What is an Ethereum cryptobot? An Ethereum cryptobot is a software application designed to automate interactions with the Ethereum blockchain. It can perform a wide variety of tasks such as trading tokens on decentralized exchanges, DEXs like Uniswap or SushiSwap, executing smart contract functions, monitoring wallet balances and gas fees, sending and receiving ETH and ERC-20 tokens, providing real-time market data, arbitrage, liquidity provision, or yield farming operations. These bots can be customized to follow specific strategies such as buying when prices drop by a certain percentage, executing trades when arbitrage opportunities are detected, or interacting with decentralized finance DeFi protocols. What is Chat? Chat is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, capable of understanding and generating human-like text. It excels in tasks such as answering complex questions, providing explanations, writing code, assisting with decision-making, conversing naturally in any topic domain. When integrated with an Ethereum bot, Chat transforms from a conversational tool into an intelligent crypto assistant that can guide users through blockchain interactions in real time. How the integration works. An Ethereum cryptobot with Chat essentially combines backend automation, smart contract execution, API interactions, and blockchain monitoring with front-end intelligence, natural language interaction, and strategy refinement. Here's how the integration typically works. 1. Natural language interface. Chat serves as the user interface. Instead of entering commands through a traditional UI or coding interface, users can talk to Chat. Swap 0.5 ETH for USDC on Uniswap using my wallet. What's the gas fee right now if I transfer 1 ETH? Stake my link tokens in the highest yielding protocol. Chat parses the request, converts it into appropriate API or contract calls, and sends them to the bot. 2. Execution layer. The backend bot is connected to the Ethereum blockchain via Web3 providers, for example, Infura Alchemy. It executes the parsed commands by interacting with smart contracts or decentralized protocols. 3. Security and wallet access. The bot can be integrated with a wallet, such as MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or even a hardware wallet. Proper safeguards like multi-signature approvals, time locks, and permissions are enforced to avoid unauthorized access. 4. Feedback and conversation. Chat updates the user with the transaction status in real time. Your swap was successful. You received 502 USDC at an average price of $1.99 per token, with a gas cost of 0.0023 ETH. This makes the user experience intuitive, transparent, and efficient. Core features. Here are the most important features of an Ethereum cryptobot with Chat. 1. Conversational transactions. The AI handles user commands through simple, human language, removing the need for technical knowledge or manual interaction with wallets or smart contracts. 2. DeFi strategy execution. Users can describe investment goals or yield farming strategies in plain language, and the bot can automate the entire process from comparing APYs to staking tokens. 3. Market analysis. The bot can track Ethereum prices, monitor token volatility, analyze trading volumes, and recommend strategies based on ChatGPT's reasoning capabilities. 4. Real-time alerts. Users can ask the bot to notify them when ETH drops below $2,000 or when gas fees fall below 20 Gwei. 5. Educational guidance. New users can ask, what is a smart contract? How do I avoid impermanent loss in yield farming? ChatGPT answers in simple, personalized terms, making crypto more accessible. Benefits of the Ethereum bot plus ChatGPT integration. 1. Accessibility. Novices don't need to know how to use MetaMask or read smart contract code. The bot translates everyday language into blockchain actions. 2. Efficiency. Instead of using multiple platforms, wallets, dexes, gas trackers, everything is unified into one intelligent assistant. 3. Security awareness. ChatGPT can warn users about suspicious contracts, potential rug pulls, or phishing attempts based on known patterns or real-time web data. 4. Customizability. Advanced users can create specific automation workflows. For instance, check my DeFi positions every 6 hours and rebalance my assets if any position exceeds 40% of my portfolio. 5. 24/7 operation. Unlike human advisors, the crypto bot runs around the clock. It can monitor market trends or execute trades while you sleep. Use cases. Here are real-world applications where such a bot becomes extremely valuable. Crypto traders automate buy or sell orders, perform arbitrage, or track price action across multiple tokens. DeFi investors stake tokens, switch between protocols based on APY and handle gas optimizations. NFT collectors monitor Ethereum-based NFT projects, track mint times, and make purchases on OpenSea using conversational prompts. DAOs and treasury managers automate treasury management, report spending, or reallocate funds via smart contracts. Crypto educators use ChatGPT as an on-demand coach that teaches how Ethereum works in real time. Risks and considerations. Despite the appeal, there are some important challenges. 1. Security. Connecting wallets to bots increases risk, even if private keys aren't exposed. Improper access controls can lead to unauthorized transactions. 2. Gas costs. Automated operations may inadvertently trigger expensive transactions if not properly optimized or monitored. 3. Smart contract risks. Bots interacting with unknown or unaudited smart contracts may fall victim to bugs or exploits. 4. Over-reliance on AI. ChatGPT may interpret requests incorrectly or hallucinate explanations if the data isn't accurate or current. Therefore, using this bot requires human oversight. 5. Regulatory compliance. Automating crypto actions via bots could raise compliance issues in certain jurisdictions, especially for users managing large funds or performing financial advisory actions. The future of crypto bots with AI. As Ethereum scales via Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum and optimism, and Chat continues to evolve. The synergy between these systems will become more powerful. Future iterations may include voice commands for fully hands, free crypto management, multi-chain support, expanding beyond Ethereum to Solana, Avalanche, or Bitcoin. AI wallets that learn and adapt to user behavior. Decentralized AI agents running on-chain, governed by DAOs. In essence, the Ethereum crypto bot, powered by Chat, represents the bridge between decentralization and usability, democratizing blockchain technology through intelligent conversation. Thanks for watching.